Good morning, students. Class 12, subject physics. The next article of this chapter, capacitance of a cylindrical capacitor. तो कैपेसिटर मीन्स मैंने आपको बता ही दिया है कि उसका यानी कि उसके अंदर कितने टू और मोर सेल्स होंगे. वन सेल्स कनेक्टेड इन अर्थ एंड वन सेल्स स्टोर अ इलेक्ट्रिक चार्ज. इज दैट क्लियर? Okay, बेटे, expression for capacitance of a cylindrical capacitor. And that is the diagram for this articles. First, that is a कैपेसिटर्स की डिस्कस कर रहे हैं. तो टू सिलेंडर्स मैंने लिए ए एंड बी, जिसमें ऑलरेडी अपोजिट साइड बट इक्वल मैग्नीट्यूड, पॉजिटिव एंड नेगेटिव चार्जेस, एंड विच रेडियस इज स्मॉल ए एंड स्मॉल बी, एंड सेकंड सिलेंडर इज कनेक्टेड in अर्थ, एंड विच लेंथ ऑफ द सिलेंडर इज एल. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, by definition of potential gradient, by definition of potential gradient, yes, what is the potential gradient? E is equal to minus dV upon dr in magnitude. E is equal to, which is positive form of magnitude. dV is equal to E into dr. अब हमें क्या फाइंड करना है? E फाइंड करना है अकॉर्डिंग टू द सिलेंडर यूजिंग Gauss theorem. What is the Gauss theorem? Phi is equal to Q upon epsilon s naught, but phi is equal to E into dx. ds is the area of cylinder. What is the area of cylinder? That is a 2 pi rh. So E into 2 pi rh, but h convert in L. So 2 pi rl, and E is equal to, that is a equation 2 and equation 3, which equation 2 and 3 is always equal. From 2 and 3, E into 2 pi rl is equal to Q upon epsilon s naught. Epsilon s naught r Q upon L. Q upon L. Putting this value in equation 1. Okay, that is dV is equal to E Q upon 2 pi epsilon s naught RL into dr, and the net potential. So the net potential indicating is 0 to V, 1 into dV, and constant is Q upon 2 pi epsilon s naught L, and that is limit is a to b, and that is 1 upon r dr, and which integrals is v, and upper minus lower using the limit, and Q upon 2 pi epsilon s naught L. What is the indicating value of 1 upon r? That is a log r base e, and limit is a to b, upper minus lower, v minus 0 is equal to Q upon 2 pi epsilon s naught L, upper minus lower, log base e v minus log a base e, using the logarithmic value. Q upon 2 pi epsilon s naught L, this value is log base e v upon a, using the logarithmic identity. Log m minus or log n is equal to log m upon n. By definition of capacitance, C is equal to Q upon B. That is, Q is equal to, and C is equal to Q upon, putting the value of B, Q upon 2 pi epsilon s naught n log base e v upon a. Q is cancelled, so C is equal to 2 pi epsilon s naught n upon log base e b upon a, which is capacitance for spherical sorry, cylindrical capacitor. Is that clear?